All right, guys. We're going to try to get this video done. I've only been trying for about 2 hours. I keep getting phone calls and I keep having to start over. So let's see what we can do here. We got down through here. We're going to finish out this week on these warm-ups, and I'm going to work it right here on a sheet of paper so that I have enough room, but you can work it however suits you the best. A shirt is on sale for 40% off. 40% off, that tells me immediately that I have a markdown. And that markdown means that I'm going to have to do 100 minus my percent. I'm going to write that down first. The sale price is $12. If you think back to that bridge map, to your tree map that has your before and after vocabulary, a sale price is your after amount. What was the original price? The original price is going to be the before. And then it has another question that says, what was the amount of the discount? So first, we're going to talk about this original price. We're going to do it first. And when we're doing a markdown, we're using on the board, the map that we're using is the green one. Okay? Our markdown is that green map. So we're doing a markdown here, so we're going to do 100 minus our percent. This is after and before. The sale price is your after, and we're looking for the original price, which is X. Our percent is 40% off, so that means that it's going to take 40% off, and I need to know, what am I going to pay? That's what I've got to put right here. If I'm getting 40% off, what percent am I paying? So right here is what percent am I paying? That's where that 100 minus your percent comes in, because 100 minus 40 is 60. So I'm going to pay 60%. And that 100 right there is locked in. X times 60 is 60X. 12 times 100 is 1200. Divide both sides by 60. And X is going to be equal to 20. So $20 is the original price. So right here, the original price is $20. Okay? Now, I will put all of my work on from these. I will put all of my work. See, there's where I worked it a while ago and then had to stop the video. So now we've got to answer the question about the discount. There are two ways. There are two ways that we could find what is the amount of the discount. Okay? The first way that I want to show you, so this is going to be the discount. This is going to be our discount. How do we know what the discount is? The first way is by going back to that orange basic, what I call our basic bridge map that we did, where we did just the basic sales tax tips, that kind of thing. If we go back to that basic bridge map, and we're going to use how much was the discount. So the discount would be right here. The dollar amount of the discount, but we have to use this amount. It's $20. How much is that discount? So you would have to put your $20 right here. The original amount has to go here. Your subtotal, remember that's your subtotal, or the before. Our discount was 40% and 100. So 100 times X is 100X. 40 times 20 is 800. Divide both sides by 100. and X is going to equal $8. So that was an $8 discount. Okay, so that's one way that you can do it. Once you have that original price, you can put it in a bridge map with the discount percent. Or we can come right here and take the original price minus the $12 that we paid for it, and you're going to see that we get, again, $8. So either way, whatever works for you. You can do that subtraction. You can put it back into another bridge map and figure it that way. I think you probably are better off to do that subtraction. You just have to remember to do that second step. Okay? So the discount amount was $8. It was 40% off, and it had an $8 discount. All right. So on Thursdays, Peter makes $7,000 per month plus some money by commission rates. Now, we hadn't talked about commission yet, but if you go back and look at that orange map, it is commission and fees are part of that basic bridge map. Peter makes $7,000 per month plus some money by commission. He gets 6% of everything he sells. If he sold $55,000 worth of items this month, what is his salary for the month? All right. The $7,000, that's a set amount. We're going to put that over to the side for a minute. We're going to sit this over here. We're not going to worry about it because we're going back to our basic bridge map, that orange map, and we're just going to do a basic. He's going to get 6% of 55,000. That's over 100. What I'm trying to figure out is his commission. I'm trying to get his commission. We're going to put it back with that 7,000 in a minute. But right now, because he gets $7,000 plus commission. And we don't know this amount. We don't know that commission amount. This commission amount right here is what we're looking for. And the way we get that is by doing this. Okay? So X times 100 is 100X. 55,000 times 6 is 330,000. Divide that by 100. And X is going to equal 3,300. So he gets $3,300. Now, what the question is asking, and this again, I'm going to go back and I can't stress this to you enough, is to know the question. What was his salary for the month? It did not say how much commission did he make. It did not ask you for his commission. This is the commission. We want to know his salary. I'm going to tell you right now, $3,300 is going to be an answer choice. And if you stop right there and you pick that as your answer, you have missed this problem. Because it asks you his total salary. His total salary. So we've got to take that 7,000, add this 3,300 back to it. So $10,300. I wish I made $10,300 in a month. So his monthly salary $10,300 because we had to we had to add this back together. I cannot say it enough. You got to know what the question is asking you. You're going to hear me say that. You're going to hear me say that. And you're going to hear me say that. Preach it, preach it, preach it. That's what I'm going to do. Preach it, preach it, preach it. So, now let's look at number 2 for Thursday. A brand new Cadillac Escalade costs the dealer $57,915. The dealer marks up. So this is a markup. That means I'm going to have 100 plus my percent. He marks up the price 25%. How much would you have to pay to own the Escalade? So this is our purple. It's a markup. This is a markup. So we're going to have 100 plus our percent. So 100 plus 25 is 125. And that's what's going to go right here. 125% over 100. This is after and before. Cost the dealer is your before amount. What you would have to pay is going to be the after amount. So the before is $57,915, and we don't know the final cost. X times 100 is 100X. All right, we get 7,239,375. Now we divide both sides by 100. And X is going to equal 7,239.75. So you're going to pay $72,393.75. Is the final cost. There it is the final cost. All right, so this is Thursday, number 2. I gotta find all my problems that have worked. All right, so I will get all this work put on there for you. This was Wednesday. Number 2. I don't know what I did with Thursday, number 1. I lost it. All right, there it is. And one other thing I need to make sure you know is that on this page, this problem right here, I had X equals 8, and this needs to be fixed because I made a mistake on yesterday's video and divided 16 divided by 8 and got 8, which was wrong. So make sure that you fix that if you copied it straight off of what I was doing and wasn't paying attention to it. Somebody brought it to my attention this afternoon. So get this done. Study this. Your quick check is Friday. Your quick check is Friday. Okay, we're going to be moving on, so be ready.